If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, how do you deal with downtime in the industry and what could you do? This is an important question. I'm Scott Sylvan, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. Now, here's the thing. In all industries, there becomes a point where there's downtime. And it could be because of inclement weather. It could be because of what's going on with the economy. It could be because the company's not advertising. There's a million different reasons. But here is the thing. There's a lot of things that are out of your control, but the things that are in your control is how you spend your time. So I'm going to give you five different things that you can do when it's the off time or the off season or inclement weather so that you can stay on top of things. And the first is to make a list. Make a list of all the things that you can do. You can follow the list that I'm about to give you. You can come up with content on your own, but I would encourage you to come up with a game plan. Second, put all of that information that you're going to come up with in a place where you can find that's easy to get to. So, you may choose books, you may choose videos, you may choose audio, but categorize that information so you can get to it. And this is why you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. And your ability to find really good books to read, there's no real excuse. You could go to Amazon and just hey, books on sales. And, hey, well, Scott, some of those books are expensive. Buy used copies. I know in 2016, I bought a ton of used copies. It cost me more to ship a lot of the books than it did to buy the books. Some of those books were one set. Scott, I don't have money to buy books on Amazon. Okay, probably in your town, in your location, there is a place for you to go to a library. And I think most places library cards may be $5 or even free. So you've got, hey, what's my game plan? You've got, where is the information stored? And then number 3 is go get some books. And if you have the funds, let's talk about number 4. Go to Audible and buy some of those books and have them on your phone, have them on your tablet, and have them be ready so that at the end of the day, you know what you're going to listen to. I think I probably have 120 books in my Audible account. Have I listened to all of them? No freaking way. But they're there. Various topics, various things. And I'm going to encourage you to not only get books on sales. I would get books on decision making. I would get books on relationships. I would get books on conflict. I would get books on telling stories. I would get books on creativity. I mean, there's so many different things. The mistake is I'm going to read every book. Now, prior to 2010, I'm pretty sure that I read about 99% of the books on sales that were out there. And there just becomes a point where there's not a lot new out there. There's a different variation of what this guy said from 1930 to 1950. Occasionally you find some new stuff. Get some books on marketing and some books on copywriting, offer creation. Because at the end of the day, that's what we do. We create offers. Number five, have a pre-plan for people that you're going to role play with. Go to a location, go to a place in the business, go to a house, rent a hotel room for the day and just get some role play out of the way. And know that whoever is setting it up has really got to be the person who is, I'm going to be in charge of this. I'm going to make sure that everything is done. And then number 6, number 6, the bonus, take really good notes. Take really good notes for what you're practicing, what you're working on. You could use things like Notion. You could use, there's all sorts of note-taking programs. Evernote is one of them, but you should take really good notes and put your notes in a place. Now, I like to type notes, so my version's not going to be your version, but what do you do to prepare when the weather's not working towards your direction, marketing's not working towards your direction? Just know that there's a lot of opportunity instead of staying at home playing video games or going fishing. There you go. You got this. You got one thing to do from here. Just one thing. Find the subscribe button or the follow button. Click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says HVAC Technician Sales Secrets and another fantastic video. You should check it out, which you should. We'll see you soon.